problems. We will try to solve around close to 20 questions. Question number 1. Question number 1. X square minus 4x plus 1 equivalent to 0. X square minus 4x plus 1 is 0. X power 9 plus x power 7 minus 194 x power 5 minus 194 x cube equivalent to how much? Options are 4, minus 4, 1 and minus 1. X square minus 4x plus 1 equivalent to 0. X power 9 plus x power 7 minus 194 x power 5 minus 194 x cube. Original Staff Selection Commission question. Now see here. Beautiful question, sir. Solution. These kind of questions come regularly in your Staff Selection Commission. X square minus 4x plus 1 equivalent to 0. That means x square plus 1 is 4x. If I divide by x, x square plus 1 by x is 4. So x plus 1 by x is 4. X plus 1 by x is 4. Very important note. High frequency question. These kind of questions come very repeatedly. X plus 1 by x equivalent to k. If I square it on both sides, squaring on both sides, so this will be x square plus 1 by x square is nothing but k square minus 2. K square minus 2. So if I do the squaring, x square plus 1 by x square is 16 minus 2 14. If I again square it, x square plus 1 by x square whole square, it is nothing but 14 square. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 is nothing but 196. So x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, it is 194. 194. So x power 4 minus 194, it is nothing but minus 1 by x power 4. So I think just a little bit of minor changes, you will get the answer. So this is nothing but x power 5. If I take common from the first and the third, it will become x power 4 minus 194. From the second and fourth, if I take x cube common, x power 4 minus 194. So this is nothing but x power 5 into, this is nothing but minus 1 by x power 4. This is nothing but minus 1 by x power 4. Right, taking x power 4 common in the first and third, taking x power 4 common in the second and fourth. So if I open it, it is nothing but minus x minus 1 by x. So minus of x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is nothing but 4. So from here, answer is nothing but minus 4. Original SSC question. Right, original SSC question. Today in the class we will discuss the SSC, bank PO, CAT and placements. Either the original questions discussion or the replica of the questions discussion. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Lot of concepts we are going to discuss. First question, pretty easy question. X square minus 4x plus 1 is 0. X power 9 plus x power 7 minus 194 x power 5 minus 194 x cube. Second time explanation. X square minus 4x plus 1 is 0. X square plus 1 is 4x. Divide x plus 1 by x is 4. Here what I did is I squared it. It is k square minus 2. I squared it. So x square plus 1 by x square is nothing but 16 minus 2, which is 14. So again I squared it. X power 4 minus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 is 196. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 194. Minus left side, x power 4 minus 194 54 is minus 1 by x power 4. I substituted. I hope it is clear. Second question. First question, I hope it is clear. Second one, I hope it is clear. First one, second question. Many students found this question to be a very, very difficult question, right? This is question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question is f of x plus 1 equivalent to 7x square plus 6x plus 3. F of x minus 1 equivalent to a cat replica question. Options: 7x square plus 22x minus 19. B. 7x square minus 22x plus 19. C. 7x square plus 22x plus 19. D. 7x square minus 22x minus 19. Right? A cat replica question. Question is like this. F of x plus 1 is 7x square plus 6x plus 3. F of x minus 1 equivalent to. Right? I have seen a lot of textbooks and some websites where they are using 10-15 steps. Right? Let us solve Anil Nair's way of solving. Very, very easy question, which will take maximum 20 seconds to solve. If you understand the approach, just what you do is you put x equivalent to minus 1. If I put x equivalent to minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, so it is f of 0. It is nothing but 7 into minus 1 square plus 6 into minus 1 plus 3, which is nothing but 7 minus 6 plus 3. So 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4. F of 0 I got it as 4. So wherever f of 0 is there, I need to get 4. So put x equivalent to 1 in this question. If I put x equivalent to 1, f of 1 minus 1 is f of 0. F of 0 should give me 4. F of 0 should give me 4. If I put the B option, it is nothing but 7 into 1 square minus 22 into 1 plus 19. Finish answer. It is nothing but 7 minus 22 plus 19. 26 minus 22, 4. Answer is B. How easily the toughest algebra question is made very, very easy. Is made very, very easy. I hope it is clear. Right? I kept x equivalent to minus 1. If I put x equivalent to minus 1 plus 1 0, so 7 into minus 1 square plus 6 into minus 1 plus 3, so 7 plus 3 10, 10 minus 6 4. F of 0 is 4. F of 0 should be 4. So what should I keep to get f of 0 in the question? What should I keep to get f of 0 in the question? If I put x equivalent to 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Wherever x equivalent to 1 is there in the answer option, I should get 4. 7 minus 22 plus 19. 7 plus 19, 26. 26 minus 22 is 4. I hope the idea is clear. Simple bank level question. Simple bank level question. ax square plus bx plus c. ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to 0. a, b, c are rational numbers. a, b, c are rational numbers. a, b, c are rational numbers. 1 root t is 5 plus 3 root 3. Find a square plus b square plus c square divided by a plus b plus c. This is also a bank level and it is also an SSC original question. How much? Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equations. Options: 35 by 3, B minus 105 by 11, C 37 by 3, D minus 105 by 30. Minus 105 by 13. Very easy question. Yesterday we discussed. I will repeat the point. We wrote this point only if A, B, C are rational numbers. Only if A, B, C are rational numbers. If one root is P plus root Q, another root will be P minus root Q. Another root will be P minus root Q. So what is the quadratic expression? X square minus of alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equivalent to 0. So x square minus, this is 5 plus 3 root 3, sir. Question is 3 root 3. Question is 3 root 3. This is an exact bank and an SSC level question. So it is nothing but 10x plus 5 plus 3 root 3 into 5 minus 3 root 3 equivalent to 0. So it is nothing but x square minus 10x. 5 5s are 25, 25 minus 27. So it is nothing but minus 2 equivalent to 0. X square minus 10x minus 2 equivalent to 0. So A value will be 1, B value will be minus 10, C value will be minus 2. So denominator check, what should be the value? Minus 10 minus 2, minus 12 plus 1, 11. Denominator only one value is there, 11. Answer is minus 105 by 11. A simple application of the question. A simple application of the question. Ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to 0. A, B, C are rational number. Because A, B, C are rational number, if one root is 5 plus 3 root 3, another root will be 5 minus 3 root 3. So the quadratic equation, if roots are given, is given by x square minus of alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equivalent to 0. So x square minus 10x minus 2 equivalent to 0. If I equate this equation, with this equation, coefficient of x square is A value 1, B value minus 10, C value minus 2. A1, B minus 10, minus 2. No need to find a numerator, just see the denominator. A plus B plus C, it is 11. Denominator should be a multiple of 11. I hope it is clear. Question number 3. Question number 3. Very basic question. I am sure it is clear to you. Right? Question number 4. Again a replica of the previous year question. Question number 4. I hope it is clear. Minus 105 by 11. Question number 4. Question number 4. 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 8 and so on up to infinite terms is equivalent to how much? 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 8 and so on up to infinite terms is equivalent to how much? I will solve this problem in two methods. Method 1. Beautiful question, sir. If the series is in AGP means arithmetico-geometric series. If the series is in AGP, arithmetico-geometric series, what is that? We will discuss. The series will be like this. First it is A plus D into R, A plus 2D into R square. If the series is like this is nothing but A by 1 minus R plus D into R by 1 minus R whole square. D is the common difference. D is the common difference and R is the common ratio. R is the common ratio, D is the common difference and R is the common ratio. If the series is in arithmetico-geometric series, it is given by a by 1 minus r. Very, very important notation. A by 1 minus r plus d into r by 1 minus r whole square. 1 minus r whole square. Now the series is nothing but 1 plus 3 into. These are nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 2 whole cube. Up to infinite terms. Now if you observe, what is the check whether it is in arithmetic series? First terms 1, 3, 5, 7. Yes, a value is 1 and d value is 2. What is the ratio? 1 by 2, 1 by whole square, 1 by 2 whole cube. What is r value? R value is nothing but 1 by 2. Substituting that one, so a by 1 minus r, 1 minus 1 by 2 plus d into r is 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square. So these is nothing but 2. Next is nothing but 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. I hope it is clear. A by, the concept here is a by 1 minus r plus dr by 1 minus r whole square. A by 1 minus r plus d into r by 1 minus r whole square. Idea clear? A is nothing but the first term. A is nothing but the first term. R is nothing but the common ratio and d is nothing but the common difference. 1, 3, 5, 7. D value is nothing but 2. R value is nothing but 1 by 2 and A value 1. So just substitute A by 1 minus R plus dr by 1 minus R whole square. Dr by 1 minus R whole square. This is the traditional method, sir, but I cannot remember this formula, sir. In case if you cannot remember this formula, method 2. A beautiful application of arithmetico-geometric series. This is arithmetico-geometric series. In a term, the first values will be in AP and the second values will be in GP. I hope it is clear. Right. Method 2. Please write down method 2. Method 2. Let us write method 2. One is formula based approach and method 2. Method 2. The question is 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 8 and so on up to infinite terms. This is the question. So first let us keep answer as 2.4. Next it is 6. Next it is 3 and D is nothing but 1. Let us keep these options. 2.4631. 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 8 and so on up to infinite terms. So the best way to solve this kind of problems is, right, by approximating first few values. If the answer options are very, very close to each other, right, approximate it. 1 plus 3 by 2 is 1.5. 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5. It cannot be 2.4. 5 by 4 is 1.2. So it is nothing but 3.7. It cannot be 3. It cannot be 1. Answer plus positive. Answer has to be greater than 3.7. Answer has to be greater than 3.7. Eliminate all incorrect answer options. Eliminate all incorrect answer options. Eliminate all incorrect answer options. Eliminate all incorrect answer options by approximating the first few values. Right, depending upon the answer option, take the first two or take the first three. Approximate the first few values. Approximate the first few values. Approximating the first few values, 1 plus 3 by 2 is 1.5. 5 by 4 is 1.25. Approximating the first few values, 1 plus 1.5, 5 by 4 is 1.25 and everything. Answer has to be greater than 3.7. Answer has to be greater than 3.7. Answer has to be greater than 3.7, but the answer is not 2.4 is not greater than 3.7. It cannot be 1 and it cannot be 3. So answer is nothing but 6. I hope it is clear, right? Approximating the first few values. Write down the next question. Write down the next question. We will solve a few more questions. Next one. These also you can do it, sir. Question. This is a replica of the cat question. 1 plus 4 by 7 plus 9 by 7 square. 9 by 7 square. I will exactly tell you the exact question. Just give me 1 minute, or otherwise we will take a next. We'll take relatively easy questions, then we'll get into the second step. 1 minus 3 by 2. Try to solve the question. 5 by 4 minus 7 by 8, and so on up to infinite terms. First few easy questions we'll solve. 1 minus 3 by 2. 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4 minus 7 by 8, and so on. Try to solve the same question by using this logic. So if I use this logic, this is nothing but method 1 and method 2. Both will give you the answer. 1 plus it is nothing but 3 into minus 1 by 2. 5 into it is nothing but minus 1 by 2 whole square. The next one is nothing but plus 7 into it is minus only. So these are nothing but 7 into minus 1 by 2 whole cube, and so on. So if I apply it, A is nothing but 1, D is nothing but 2, R is nothing but minus 1 by 2. A by 1 minus R plus D into R by 1 minus R whole square. So these are nothing but 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus D into R by 1 minus of minus 1 by 2 whole square. Idea is clear? Any doubt in this one, sir? Any doubt in this question? Any doubts? We will do a lot of series based questions. Idea clear, right? Second one, write down the next question. Next one. Second one. Third question, just I am increasing the difficulty. Next question. 2 power 1 by 4 into 4 power 1 by 8 into 8 power 1 by 16, and so on up to infinite terms. Up to infinite terms. It is nothing but how much? So it is nothing but same question but in a different order he gave. 2 power 1 by 4, it is nothing but 4 is 2 square power 1 by 8, it is nothing but 2 cube power 1 by 16, and so on. So these is nothing but 2 power 1 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 16, and so on. These are nothing but, if I take 2 1 by 4 common, This is nothing but 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square and so on. 3 into 1 by 2 whole square and so on. So it is 2 power 1 by 4. Already just now we discussed. Just the same question, different variety. A is 1, D is also 1 and R is nothing but 1 by 2. So A by 1 minus R plus dr by 1 minus R whole square. From there you will get the answer. I hope the idea is clear. The question can be asked with two different variations. Question can be asked with two different variations. I hope the logic is clear. Write arithmetico-geometric series. Arithmetico-geometric series. Arithmetico-geometric series. You can use any of this. Next one. Idea clear? I hope the idea is clear. Substitute it, you will get the answer. 2 square minus 1. Next is 4 square minus 1. 6 square minus 1. And so on up to 1 by 20 square minus 1. Right? A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. Method 2. It is nothing but 1 by 3. It is nothing but 1 by 15. It is nothing but 1 by 35 and so on. Approximate the first few values. Approximate. Already we discussed at the beginning of the class. Approximate first few values. 1 by 3 is nothing but 0.33333. 1 by 15 is nothing but 0.666666. 1 by 35 is nothing but close to 0.03. Add the first three values. So answer is just closer to 1. Just closer to 1. Just now we discussed what is the answer. Approximate the first few values if the series is not following the following pattern. Approximate the first few values. Anurag, we squared it because 1 is nothing but 1 square. A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B. Sir, why are we doing this logic? We are doing this logic because there are 1 or 2 original questions that came based upon this pattern. Approximate first few values. Next one. I hope the logic is clear. If the question is following the pattern, does not follow the pattern, right? Suppose if the question is 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 21 and so on up to infinite terms and so on up to infinite terms and so on up to infinite terms. Always approximate the first few values. Approximate first few values. Approximate first few values. If I approximate first few values, 1 is 100%, 1 by 3 is 33.33%, 1 by 6 is 16.66%. So answer should be greater than 150%, which is 1.5. Check with the answer option. It is greater than 1.5. Right? Take the fourth value. Take the fourth value. If the options are closer, take the fourth value if the options are closer. I hope the logic is clear. Take the fourth value if options are clear. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear, right? You can do. Somebody has asked, what if? You can do if the series is not following the pattern, still you can use this. Suppose if the question is Somebody has asked, what if the numerator is not 1? 3 by 4 plus 5 by 36 plus 7 by 144 and so on up to 10 terms. And so on up to 10 terms is how much? 3 by 4, 5 by 36, 7 by 144 and so on up to 10 terms is how much? Traditional method, method 1. 4 is nothing but 1 square into 2 square. Numerator is 2 square minus 1 square. Denominator is 36, which is 2 square into 3 square. Numerator is 3 square minus 2 square. It is 3 square into 4 square. Numerator is 4 square minus 3 square. Second term it is starting with 2 square. 10th term it will start with 10 square. 10 square into 11 square, it is 11 square minus 10 square. So all the intermediate terms will be neglected. All the intermediate will be neglected. Answer is minus 1 minus 10 square by 10 square into 11 square. 1 minus 1 by 121. Answer is 120 by 121. Answer is 120 by 121. I hope the logic is clear. One student who has asked me, what if the denominator is greater than 1? Srinath, this is for you. This is for you. This is by using the pattern what we discussed. If you observe the denominators, 4 is 1 square into 2 square, 36 is 2 square into 3 square, 144 is 3 square into 4 square, 10 terms is 10 square into 11 square. This is one way of doing it. Method 1, in case if the logic does not strike. Method 2, always in series we can use approximation. If I approximate the values, approximate first few values. If I approximate first few values, 3 by 4 is nothing but 75%. 5 by 36. 5 by 36. 10% of 36 is 3.6. 1% of, or if I take 1/3 of 10% of 36 is, it is 1.2, which is 4.8. So it is just closer to 13.33%. So answer is greater than 88. Greater than 88%. Play with the answer option. Play with the answer option. You can go actually one step ahead. 7 by 144. 1% of 144 is 1.44. If I multiply by 5, it is 7.20. Just closer to 5. Answer is still not greater than 88. It is greater than 93%. Greater than 93%. Approximate the first few values, you will get the answer. Approximate the first few values, you will get the answer. Idea clear, right? Any kind of series, if the series is a decreasing series, if the series is a decreasing series, you can approximate these values. If the series is a decreasing series, if the series is a decreasing series, you can approximate the values. You can always approximate the values if the series is a decreasing series. Please put a star mark on this. If the series is a decreasing series, you can always do an approximation, whether the series follows a pattern, whether it does not follow a pattern, still you can approximate it. As long as the series is a decreasing series, you can approximate the values. You can approximate the values as long as the series is a decreasing series. Series is a decreasing series. Another, I hope the idea is clear. Check whether the answer options are greater than 93%. It is just closer to 100%. So it is greater than 93%. I hope the idea is clear. Another question, 1 plus 4 by 7 plus 9 by 7 square plus 16 by 7 cube plus 25 by 7 power 4 and so on. These are nothing but 27 by 14, next is 21 by 13, next is 49 by 27, next is 256 by 147. 256 by 147. Just now I discussed, whenever the series is a decreasing series, the values are decreasing, you can approximate the values. One is nothing but 100%. 4 by 7, already Ajay sir might have discussed it in percentage. It is nothing but 57.1428%. 9 by 49, it is closer to 9 by 50, which is nothing but 18%. Answer is just closer to 175%. Answer is closer to 175%. Check with the answer option. Check with the answer option. Which one is closer to 175% or just greater than 175%? Right? Just greater than 175%. Nitin, right, you got a doubt, you can WhatsApp me, we can discuss. You can WhatsApp me or Ajay, we can discuss. One is 100%, 4 by 7 is 57.1428, 9 by 49 is closer to 9 by 50, which is 18%. We can calculate these values. We will come to know which one is closer to this value. Suppose if I take 27 divided by 14, this is approximately 1.92. If I take 21 divided by 13, which is nothing but 13 ones are 1386, 1.61, which is not 49 divided by 27, which is 1.81, 256 divided by 147, which is 1.74. This is not the answer. So I hope it is clear. Very close answer is 49 by 27. Finish. Question. 14 cube plus 16 cube plus 18 cube and so on up to 30 cube. 14 cube plus 16 cube plus 18 cube and so on up to 30 cube. Write down the options. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. Second option 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2. Third option 1, 1, 5, 6, 2, 4. 1, 1, 5, 6, 2, 4. Fourth option 1, 1, 1, 6, 7, 2. Those students, this is an original SSC question. 14 cube plus 16 cube plus 18 cube and so on up to 30 cube. 14 cube plus 16 cube plus 18 cube and so on up to 30 cube. Solution. Listen carefully, sir. Very good question. 14 cube plus 16 cube plus 18 cube and so on up to 30 cube, all are even numbers. So even number if I do power 3, even number is nothing but 2 into something power 3. Answer should be divisible by 8. Answer should be divisible by 8. All the numbers are even numbers. Even number on cube, answer should be divisible by 8. Delete the options which are not divisible by 8. 8 twos are, this is deleted. 576. Divisibility rule of 8 is the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. 8 sevens are 56, 16. Right? 8 7s are 56, 64. 8 8s are 64, 32. 3 options are there. This is step number 1. Check whether which options are divisible by 8. Step number 2. Step number 2. Do the unit digit logic. Do the unit digit logic. Because all the numbers are of 3, a power 4k plus 3, it is given by a power 3. This is the logic which I am using. So the numbers are like this: 14 cube, 16 cube, 18 cube. Next is 20 cube. Next is 22 cube, 24 cube, 26 cube, 28 cube. Next is 30 cube. This unit digit is 0. Here it is nothing but 8 cube 2 times I will get. So 2 into 2. 6 power any natural number is 6. So 6 into 2. It is nothing but 4 into 2. I hope it is clear. So 4 2s are 8. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4 plus 0. So 24 unit digit should be 4. What is the option with unit digit? 115624. Answer for this question is 115624. 115624. I hope it is clear. Step number 1, all the numbers are even numbers. Even numbers on cube, it should be divisible by 8. It should be divisible by 8. Step number 2, a power 4k plus 3 is a cube. So 14 cube unit digit is 4, 16 cube unit digit is 6, 18 cube unit digit is 2. Same pattern will repeat for, okay, 1 minute sir, 2 cube it is 8 is also missing. 8 is also missing. So if 8 is also there, 1 minute I made a mistake, which is 8, 16, 28 it is 2. So it is not the answer. Answer is 111672. Do not do these silly mistakes. 111672. Answer is 111672. 111, right? 111, right? I ignored these 22 cube. Do not do these silly mistake. It is 22 cube. 22 cube unit digit is 8. So here it is 2. Answer is not 115624. Answer is 111672. Answer is 111672. I hope it is clear, right? Idea is clear, right? Any doubts? Any doubts? I will tell you method 3 is also. I will tell you method 3, right? 14 cube unit digit 4, 16 cube unit digit 6, 18 cube unit digit 2. 4 6 8 will come again in 4 6 8. 22 cube is 8. So do not forget. Very very good question it is. So first step is check the divisibility rule of 8. Step number 2 is check the unit digit logic. Step number 3. You can also use one more logic. I hope it is clear. Right? One more logic. Step number 3. Digital sum also you can use. Very very digital sum also you can use. If I use the digital sum logic, just let us see. 14. What is the digital sum? 1 plus 4, 5. 5 cube is 125, 8. 16 is 1 plus 6, 7. 7 cube is 343. 340 is 1. 18 anyway it will be 9. 20 it will be 2 cube 8. 22, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 cube is 64, which is 1. 24, 2, 6, which is 9. 26, 2 plus 6, 8. 8 cube is 512. 512 is 8. 28, 2 plus 8, 10. 10 is 1. 1 cube is 1. 30 cube, it is again 9. Delete the digits whose sum is 9. 9 deleted. 9 deleted. Directly I am getting answer digital sum 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. So if I see here 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, this is not 9. Here also it is 2 plus 1 3, 5 7 8, this is also not 9. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 6 plus 4 10 1, this is also not 9. 7 plus 2 9, it is 9. Answer is 111672. Answer is 111672. Even if you do any mistake, you can cross check whether your answer is right or wrong by using this logic. I hope it is clear. One is a number tree concept, answer should be divisible by 8. Number 2 is unit digit logic. In unit digit logic, even if you forget any number, number 3 is find the digital sum of every number and cross check. How it is 8, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 cube is 125, 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 cube is 343, which is again 1, 18 anyway it is 9, 9 cube digital sum is 9, 20 cube it is 8, 22 cube 2 plus 2 4, 4 cube is 64, which is 1, 24 cube is 1, 26 is 2 plus 6 8, 8 cube is right, 512 minus 1. You don't need to do so much calculation. I think I will tell you how to do digitals directly. Please write down concept. Directly, instead of cubing, you can do it. It is 14 cube, 16 cube, 18 cube. Next is 20 cube, plus 22 cube, plus 24 cube, plus 26 cube, plus 28 cube, plus 30 cube. Digital sum. Digital sum is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 9. When you divide a number by 9. Digital sum is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 9. 18 it is divisible by 9. 30 it is divisible by 9. Right? Next one, 24. 20. Now if you see here, 14 when divided by 9, directly I will get the answer. Right? 9 ones are 9, 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. Digital sum is 8. Suppose if it is 16 cube, no need to find out 7 cube. 9 twos are 18. Minus 2, minus 8. Minus 8 is nothing but 1. I hope it is clear. 20 cube, 20 divided by 9. 9 twos are 18. Remainder 2. 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. If it is 24, 9 twos are 18. 6 cube it is divisible. 26 divided by 9. No need to find out 8 cube. 9 threes are 27 minus 1. Minus 1 means digital sum is 8. 9 threes are 27. Its digital sum is right 1. 2 cube is 8. 8 by 9 is minus 1. It is 8. I hope it is clear. Directly you can divide by 9. Directly you can divide by 9. Directly you can divide by 9. In case if you are finding any complication in cubing, suppose in 16 cube, what you will do is 1 plus 6 7. 7 cube is 343. 3 you will calculate. Sir, I am not good in cubing the numbers. You can divide by 9. 9 ones are 9. Remainder is 7. 7 cube is 343. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 3 10. 10 divided by 9 is 1. You can divide by 9 also you can do. Dividing by 9 also you can do. Dividing by 9 also you can do it. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear, right, sir? One more question, then we will solve very good questions. 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus 8 square and so on up to 20 square. Generally what many of the students will do it is, they will by heart the formula. Summation n square is nothing but n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 they will do. In case if you are not comfortable in formulae, Anil sir, I cannot remember any formulas. Method 2. What are the concepts that we can apply here? Method 2. See here. Step number A. Even number whole square. All are even number whole squares. All are even number whole squares. Even number whole square. Answer will be divisible by 4. even number square, answer will be divisible by 4. What is the second step? You can apply the unit digit logic. You can apply the unit digit logic. What is the third step? You can apply the digital sum logic. Digital sum logic. I hope it is clear. What will be the digital sum of this question? What will be the digital sum of this question? 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 7, 6 square is 36, 9, 8 square is 64, 1, 10 square is 1. Next is 12 square, 12 square is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 square is 9. 14 square, 5 square is 25, 7, 16 square, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 square 49, 18 square 9, 20 square 4. What are all these numbers? These for 2 square, these for 4 square, next is 6 square, next is 8 square, next is 10 square, next is 12, next is 14, next is 16, next is 18, next is 20. In case if you forget the logic, 9 we can delete it. 7 plus 1 plus 1, 9 we can delete. 9 we can delete. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 digital sum will be 1. I hope it is clear. What will be the unit digit of this number? 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square. Next is 10 square. Next it is 20 square. 12 square, 14 square, 16 square, 18 square. So it is nothing but 2 into 4. It is nothing but 2 into 6. Again it is nothing but 2 into 6. Again it is nothing but 2 into 4. Even if power 4 is also given also, you can use the same logic. You can use the same logic, because if it is 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, you can apply the formula. What if it is 2 power 4, 4 power 4, 6 power 4, 8 power 4? But you can use this logic. Whether the power is greater than 2, power is greater than 3, still you can use this logic. I hope the logic is clear. Even number square, answer should be divisible by 4. Apply the unit digit logic. Apply the unit digit logic. Apply the digital sum logic. Whether the power is power 2, power 4, power 6, power 8, no need of using any formula. No need of using any formula. I hope the idea is clear. Square root of 4600 plus square root of 540 plus square root of 1280 plus square root of 250 plus 36. 250 plus root of 36. Root of 36. This is original SSC question 69, 68, 70 and 72. 69, 68, 70 and 72. Very easy question it is. This is out. This is out. This is out. Answer is 68. Why it is step number 1? Why 69 is out? Step number 1. Root of even number will always be an even number. Root of even number will always be an even number. Even. Square root of even number is always an even number. 69 is incorrect. 69 is incorrect. Step number 2. It cannot be 70. If it is 70, 4600 plus square root of 540 something. If it is 70, what is 70 square, sir? 70 square is 4900. 70 square is 4900. This entire value should give me 300. Root of 540 plus something, will it give me 300? No. If 70 is not possible, how can 72 be possible? What is the answer for this question? Answer for this question is 68. Answer is 68. Pretty easy question. 10 seconds it takes to solve the question. 69 is incorrect because square root of even number is always an even number. Next one. It cannot be 70 because square root of 4600 plus root of 540 plus something. If it is 70, 70 square is 4900. This entire value should give me 300. Root of 540 plus something, it will never give you 300. If 70 is not possible, 72 also is not possible. 72 is also not possible. I hope it is clear. If the question is 3 power 3 plus 5 power 3 plus 7 power 3 plus 9 power 3. Same logic, apply digital sum and apply the unit digit logic. Both we have discussed, right? 3 methods we have discussed. Digital sum logic and unit digit logic. Digital sum 27 it is 7, 5 cube it is 125, 8, 7 cube 343, it is 9. Answer digital sum should be 7. Answer digital sum should be 7. Unit digit logic, it is 3, it is 5, it is 3 and it is 9. 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 3, 20. Unit digit should be, right? 6, 6 plus 5, 14, 20. Unit digit should be 0. Sujit, I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear, right, sir? These are all easy questions. These are all very, very easy questions. Very, very easy questions. Now write down, sir. Now write down one by one. Right. Now write down. Sujit, I hope it is clear. Now, question. If 3x square plus 4x plus 5, if 3x square plus 4x plus 5 equivalent to 0 and ax square plus 7x plus 7 equivalent to 0, has at least one common root. Has at least one common root. Has at least one common root. Find a plus c. If 3x square plus 4x plus 5 equivalent to 0 and ax square plus 7x plus c equivalent to 0 has at least one common root, find a plus c. Find a plus c. Very, very good question, sir. From here onwards, next 10 to 15 questions, listen carefully. What are the equations given? 3x square plus 4x plus 5 equivalent to 0. What is the next equation? Ax square plus 7x plus 7 c equivalent to 0. What is the discriminant of this equation? To find out the nature of roots, how the roots are behaving, we can find it out by using b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is nothing but 4 square minus 4 into 3 into 5. So 16 minus 60 minus 44. It is less than 0. That means the roots are imaginary. That means the roots are imaginary. That means the roots are imaginary. If imaginary roots are there, if imaginary roots are there, please write down a point. If imaginary roots are there, imaginary roots always happens in pairs. Imaginary roots always happens in pairs. Beautiful question. Imaginary roots always happens in pairs. Imaginary roots always happens in pairs. So, even if he is asking at least one common root, minimum one root should be common. Minimum one root is common if the equation has imaginary roots. If the equation has imaginary roots, there cannot be one common root. If the question, both the roots will be common, because in imaginary, if you are getting imaginary, both the roots, right, always the roots happens in pairs. Both the roots are common. So instead of asking at least one common root, it is nothing but saying that both the roots are common. Why both the roots will be common? Because for this quadratic equation, discriminant is less than 0. If discriminant is less than 0, I will get imaginary roots. Imaginary roots always happens in pairs. Imaginary roots always happens in pairs. Imaginary roots always happens in pairs. That means if the equation is a1x square plus b1x plus c1 equivalent to 0, and a2x square plus b2x plus c2 equivalent to 0, if both the roots are common, if both the roots are common, if both the roots are common, it is nothing but a1 by a2 equivalent to b1 by b2 equivalent to c1 by c2. So 3 by a is nothing but 4 by 7, it is nothing but 5 by c. So a is nothing but 21 by 4, c is nothing but 35 by 4. Substituting a plus c will become 9. Very, very good question. Please make a note of this beautiful condition. How this condition has come? Because both the roots are common. If both the roots are common, right, ratio will be same, because the second and first will come down to right, the first equation. I hope it is clear. Right, imaginary root means roots which takes imaginary values. Imaginary root means root which cannot be drawn on a number line. If the root cannot be drawn on a number line, then the root is called imaginary root. Then the root is called imaginary root. All questions till 8 o'clock, all are good questions, sir. Right? Purna, if there are any calculation mistakes, please take it better. Right? a1x square plus b1x plus c1 0, a2x square plus b2x plus c2 0. If both the roots are common, a1 by a2 equivalent to b1 by b2 equivalent to c1 by c2. So 3 by a equivalent to 4 by 7 equivalent to 5 by c. A I will get, C I will get. A plus C is 21 plus 4, 15. 36, 36 by 4 is 9. I hope it is clear. First question it is clear. Second question. If ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to 0 and 7x square plus 24x plus 25 equivalent to 0 has a common root. ABC are the sides of a triangle. ABC. First is angle C. If ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to 0 and 7x square plus 24x plus 25 equivalent to 0, if both of them has a common root and the coefficients ABC forms the sides of a triangle ABC, find angle C. Same idea, sir. Same idea. Students who have not understood the previous question, you will understand through this model. 7x square plus 24x plus 25 equivalent to 0. If I do discriminant is b square minus 4ac. It is 24 square minus 4 into 7 into 25. That means d is less than 0. If d is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. If they are imaginary, coefficients ratio will be same. A by 7 is nothing but b by 24 is nothing but c by 25. That means A is to B is to C is 7, 24, 25. Already we have discussed these are nothing but a Pythagorean triplets. So in a Pythagorean triplet, If this is 7 and it is 24 and it is 25, what will be angle 7? See, angle C is nothing but 90 degrees. Angle C is nothing but 90 degrees. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear, right? If b square minus 4ac is positive, then there are two conditions. Check whether it is a perfect square, check whether if it is a non-perfect square, right? If it is a non-perfect square, it will be an irrational and unequal, and it is a perfect square, it will be rational and unequal. If b square minus 4ac is 0, then the roots will be equal, right? I hope it is clear. What is the first case, Gautam? Where is the doubt, beta? If only d is less than 0, if d is less than 0, if d is less than 0, that means roots are imaginary. Imaginary roots always happens in pairs, so there cannot be one common root, there has to be two common roots. There has to be two common roots. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear. Idea is clear. Can I go to the next question? First it is one question. Next, please write down another question. Another questions. X plus 1 by x, the most repeated model. X plus 1 by x is root 3. So x power 55 plus 1 by x power 55. Question. Second question. X power 7 plus 1 by x power 7. Third question. X power 2406 plus x power 6024. Three questions. X plus 1 by x is root 3. X power 55 plus 1 by x power 55. X power 7 plus 1 by x power 7. X power 2406 plus x power 6024. Three questions. Very, very important model. Very, very important model. Solution. Most repeated model. This came in the previous SSC and also this model came in placements. X plus 1 by x equivalent to root 3. If x plus 1 by x is root 3, if I cubing on both sides, if I cube it on both sides, if I cube it on both sides, this will be x cube. Next is 1 by x cube plus 3 into x plus 1 by x. Root 3 whole cube is 3 root 3. So it is nothing but x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into root 3. It is nothing but 3 root 3. Cancelling out. X cube plus 1 by x cube. It is 0. That is nothing but x power 6 plus 1 is 0. X power 6 will be minus 1. Very, very important notation. Extremely important observation. If x plus 1 by x is root 3, if x plus 1 by x is root 3, x power 6 will become minus 1. X power 6 will become minus 1. X power 6 will become minus 1. So first question can be written as x power 6 power 9 into x plus 1 by x power 6 power 9 into x. So it is nothing but minus of x plus 1 by x, which is nothing but minus root 3. I hope it is clear. X power 6 is minus 1. So 55 can be written as x power 6 power 9 into x, x power 6 power 9 into x. X power 6 is minus 1. So it is minus of x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is root 3. Answer is minus root 3. I hope the idea is clear. Very, very important, right? Very important concept. Next one, suppose similarly we can solve the next two questions. X plus 1 by x is root 3. X plus 1 by x is root 3. Second question, x power 7 plus 1 by x power 7. What is the conclusion we got? X power 6 is nothing but minus 1. So x power 6 into x, it is 1 by x power 6 into x. It is minus of x plus 1 by x. Answer is minus root 3. Similarly, next one, x power 2406 plus x power 6024. It is nothing but x power 6 power 401 and it is nothing but 104. So it is minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Very important observation. If x plus 1 by x is root 3, x power 6 will be minus 1. If x plus 1 by x is root 3, x power 6 is minus 1. I hope the logic is clear. Very important, highly repeated question. Highly repeated question. Very important models. Which is greater? Which is greater? First question, 2 power 1 by 20, 3 power 1 by 30, 4 power 1 by 40 and 5 power 1 by 50. Whenever you get any of these surds, 2 power 1 by 20, 3 power 1 by 30, take the LCM of this. LCM of 20, 30, 40, 50, which is 600, or I hope it is clear. 2 power 6, it is 60, sir. Otherwise larger values we are getting. So if it is 5 power 1 by 60, if it is 5 power 1 by 60, 20 is a factor of 60, 30 is a factor of 60. So it is nothing but 120. So this is nothing but 2 power 6 power 1 by 120. It is nothing but 3 power 4 power 1 by 120. It is nothing but 4 cube power 1 by 120. It is nothing but 5 square power 1 by 120. It is 64. This is 81. This is 64. And it is 25. Which is greater? 3 power 1 by 30 is the greatest. 3 power 1 by 30 is the greatest. 3 power 1 by 30 is the greatest. Take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 20, 30, 40, 60. 20 is a factor of 60, 30 is a factor of 60. LCM of 40, 60. LCM of 40, 60. It will be 120. Make the power same. 1 by 120 if I take, it will be 2 power 6 power 1 by 120. 3 power 4 power 1 by 120. 4 cube power 1 by 120. 5 square power 1 by 120. 1 by 120 remains the same. 2 power 6 is 64. 3 power 4 is 81. 4 cube is 60. 4 5 square is 25. Which one is the largest? Which one is the largest? 3, right? Which question, Ishwar, you are asking? Right? Even if it is 5 power 1 by 150, first do it for all this. If I do all this, right? Even if it is, second question, if it is 2 power 1 by 20, 3 power 1 by 30, 4 power 1 by 40, 6 power 1 by 50. Already we did for all this. What is the answer we got? 2 power 6 power 1 by 120, 3 power 4 power 1 by 120, 4 cube power 1 by 120. Which is the largest? It is 3 power 1 by 30 and 6 power 1 by 50. 30 and 50. What is the LCM of 30 and 50? LCM of 30 and 50 is 150. So 3 power 5 power 1 by 150. 6 cube power 1 by 150. This is greater. 3 power 1 by 30. I hope Ishwar, I hope it is clear better. Logic remains the same. There is no change in logic. If you know it, you will easily do it. It is all about knowing the logic. If you know it, you will get the answer. If you do not know it, then you will find this question to be very difficult. You will find this question to be very difficult. Replica of the competitive examination questions. F of x plus 1. Write down one more question. F of x plus 1 is x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 7. 12x plus 7. F of x equivalent to. F of x equivalent to options x cube. Already we did this model. Same thing. Please do not use algebraic way of solving. It kills your time. X cube plus 2x square plus 5x. X cube plus 6x square minus 7. D. None of this. What is the approach that we said? F of x plus 1. Try to take a dummy variable and try to do it. If I put x equivalent to minus 1 in the equation, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. F of 0 is minus 1 plus 6, which is minus 12, and it is 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 minus 13 is 0. F of 0 is 0. F of 0 is 0. So if I put x equivalent to 0, f of 0 will be 0. This is satisfying, this is satisfying, this is not satisfying. So what you do is, you go to the next value. If I put x equivalent to 1, f of 2 is nothing but 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 17. 12 plus 17, 12 plus 7, 19, 25, 26. F of 2 is 26. F of 2 is 26. Put x equivalent to 2 in the question. Put x equivalent to 2 in the question. Which one is giving you answer? That itself will be the answer. I hope it is clear. So if I keep x equivalent to 2 in the second option, 2 cube is 8. 2 into 2 square, it is 8. 5 into 2, 10. 16 plus 10 is 26. Idea clear. Idea clear. It is not mandatory that just by taking the first value itself you will get the answer. Sometimes you might get more than one answer. If you get more than one answer, go to the next value. Go to the next value. Go to the next value. Idea clear, right? Go to the next value in case if you are getting more than one. Any doubts in this question? Any doubts in this question? Shall I go to the next question? Any doubts in this question, sir? Put x equivalent to 1. F of 2 we got. Put x equivalent to 2. Right? Gautam, this is a very easy question, right beta? Already we have discussed in the class. I will discuss the question for you. Right? Whenever numerator is less than denominator, you can easily solve it. Next one. What is the question? Gautam is asking. 8 by 15. You can solve this problem in multiple methods. 14 by 33, 7 by 13 and 11 by 13. He is asking actually the concept. If a numerator is less than denominator, how to compare? All write down 1 by 15 by 8, 1 by 33 by 14, 1 by 13 by 7, 1 by 13 by 11. Denominator smallest, fraction largest. Simple. denominator smallest, fraction will be largest, denominator smallest, fraction will be largest. So it is nothing but 1 by 15 by 8, 8 ones are 8, 70, 8 eights are 64, 1 by 14, 2s are 28, it is 2.3, 1 by 1.8, so we'll next one, 1 by 13 by 11, so it is 1 by 11 ones are 11, 20, right? So 1.1, denominator smallest and it will be the largest, denominator smallest and it will be the largest. Finish. I hope it is clear. These are all very easy question. Denominator smallest, fraction will be largest. Denominator is smallest, fraction will be largest. Denominator is smallest, fraction will be largest. Next question. Please write down the next question. Fourth proportional. This is again a competitive exam question. It is a 5 seconds problem. Very fast we'll solve this question. Fourth proportional to 189, 273, 153, comma dash. Options 117, next is 299, next is 221 and next is 187. Right? Very easy question. If A, B, C, D are in proportion, A into D is equivalent to B into C. 189 into something is nothing but 273 into 153. 3 3s are 9, 9. The unit digit should be 1. 221. 221. I hope it is clear. Then we will discuss a superb shortcut right after this. 3 3s are 9. 9 into something should give you 1. So it is 221. Right? It is 221. Now write down one important model. These model kind of questions are coming more repeatedly. Please write down, sir.